In this video we will show you how to scale Undet project. First of all we will load Undet project. Let's say that I want to change Undet project scale from meters to millimeters. I will measure length of random wall for reference. To make any changes of Undet project we will go to Project tab in Undet palette. Over here we can see that our coordinate system right now is original, so I will go ahead and select Add Modify option. In a pop-out window I will be able to adjust coordinate values, rotation angle, or as we need in our case scale factory. So since we want my project scale to be changed from meters to millimeters, we will change scale factory to 1000. You can adjust scale factory according to your needs at any time. Just be aware that after you change scale you will have to use new scale values for section thickness and so on. You will be asked if you want to transfer view sections, but since I have none, my selection does not matter. Now I will measure length of the same wall, and as you can see value is 1000 times more than it was before, so our scaling works correctly. If you want to go back to original scale, simply select original from coordinate system selection. If you have any questions about Undet project scaling or any other Undet for AutoCAD functionality, send us email to info@undet.com. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos. For more info subscribe our channel or visit our website at www.undet.com.